front of the Pepsi sign. I can actually walk there and show you what it looks like. But here is the Manhattan skyline. I'm holding selfie sticks and walking at the same time now, so maybe you can also be the judge of stabilization that the cameras offer. Let me rotate around. Now I'm not moving. I believe the footage will be better. Yep. Here's the Pepsi sign. And the other way. So my action camera story started with actually an Akaso V50. At first we were going to a family holiday and we said, okay, we need an action cam because we will be in the water, this and that. And we were excited actually to go to an exotic destination. So we said, okay, we need an action camera. We bought the best GoPro clone available and I actually reviewed it in my channel. I'm sure we would put it in the description as well. Anyways, so I bought the Akaso V50. It was my first time with a fisheye lens and everything. I checked it out, but I was not pleased with the image quality. And Amazon updated its prices in the US and I bought a GoPro Hero 5 session. We went to the holiday, it was an amazing camera. I mean, honestly, for such a small camera, it offered an amazing quality. And also the image stabilization was fine. But after seeing the good camera, I honestly said, okay, GoPro's prices are really consumer friendly. If you're interested, you can check the Amazon affiliate links down below. The prices are getting updated very frequently, so I think you should go ahead and take a look. After the GoPro Hero 5 sessions, I said, okay, maybe I can try the best of the best. And my God, I bought the Hero 6. Guys, GoPro Hero 6 is an amazing upgrade to the existing GoPro Hero line. And it's overall an amazing action camera. The colors are vivid. You can have 4K 60 frames per second footage. You can also have 180p 240 frames per second for action shots, and which is amazing if you are interested in slow motion videos. Apart from the camera offering good image quality, the variety of modes and the option to change the field of view is also one of the strong sides of GoPro. I personally really like the linear mode on GoPro because some people complain that GoPro, you know, adds this jello effect on your videos, but if you choose the linear option, it actually does not round the edges and it keeps them linear. And that is my favorite mode because of the fisheye lens of GoPro. The image is actually still kept quite good and the field of view is rather adequate in my opinion. But if you need a wider option, you have the wide and the super wide field of view settings in the GoPro, which are all really good. But I think super view is exaggerating things. It's like, you know, rounding the edges, a bit stretching the image too much. Okay, now it is time to talk about the best thing about GoPro Hero 6. Best thing about it by far is the image stabilization. Because if you have a Hero 5, you are kind of used to the image quality. Even though Hero 6 improves over that, the image stabilization that it offers is just fantastic. Let the run begin. Alright, we are recording. Now, Hero 6 is on a selfie stick. I am actually running similar pace, same place. So, but I am expecting the image stabilization to do a better job though. This is only electrical. Sorry. Whew. Okay, the other way. For the last time. Whew. I'm changing the grip now. Now it's in flashlight mode. Whew. If I'm not mistaken, GoPro is actually producing their own chip so that it doesn't get copied. I think Hero 5 is using a generic chipset that can actually be purchased by other brands and get hands-on. But this chipset on Hero 6 is very unique, and the image stabilization it offers is just fantastic. Like, I also own a gimbal, but using the GoPro on a selfie stick was even enough, unless you're doing really big action. It has like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say it has gimbal-like image stabilization, and it's not using an optical image stabilization. It's actually electronic and still working like a charm. Well guys, this small camera is actually packing a big punch in it. So just grab one and enjoy your action shots. Well, if you like this video and it helps you decide if you want your Hero 6 or not, please like, comment, and subscribe. I think you would enjoy subscribing to our channel because we are reviewing the newest and the hottest tech and useful tech. We're not going well above the line. These are consumer grade products which are rather accessible to masses, and we would like to review them for your pleasure. All right, we'll catch you later.